Okay, we are back, just like the Master.
Well, Captain Jack was the decoy back.
Yeah. What?
You think it's Jack's the big comeback, but
Oh,
actually,
yeah, of course.
later on in the episode, it's actually an even bigger reveal.
Yeah.
It's the Master.
Unless you've never seen Doctor Who before.
And then
the
you're
new
just like,
series.
who?
Yeah. Like, okay, I guess he's bad.
Why is this guy? What's he doing? Why is he just suddenly killing
We
people?
know he's another Time Lord.
We don't have to explain the whole history of the Master, I don't think.
No, just that he's the Doctor's pretty much main enemy aside from the Daleks. A bit more personal.
General goals include trying to annoy the Doctor.
Yep, just trying to throw everything into chaos. Really.
Yeah. General destruction.
Yeah, physical and systemical. I don't know, yeah. You'll find him in
also survival is general goal as well. Trying to get all of his lives, get a new set of lives. That was the big thing.
That's true. Yeah. Yeah, you'll see him in all sorts of places, even when you don't expect it.
Yeah. Like here, at the end of the universe. Or not anymore, because he's stolen the TARDIS.
Yes, that was a very interesting way to end last episode. Yes, the Doctor, Martha and Jack, they're all stuck on the future kind world.
What are they going to do?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm genuinely curious to find out.
Get stuck with the next time agent and his vortex manipulator.
Perfect.
Oh no. The moment I see him. Time Lords always do.
Except if you happened to be disguised as and doing a weird chant, then we've no idea.
Sharaz, Sharaz, Jumal, Ballo, Ballo.
Saxon? Saxon's been mentioned before. Oh, wait. Okay, then.
That's it. He's Prime Minister.
Whoa. That's...
The Master is Prime Minister of Great Britain.
That's a new one.
The Master and his wife.
This country needs medicine. In fact, I'd go so far as to say that what this country really needs right now is a doctor.
Aha!
Fund our NHS.
Well, this is new. Yeah.
You know,
Wow.
all of those crazy Season 8 plans of the Masters, this feels like it could fit in with that, you know, becoming Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Mind of Evil kind of thing.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, John Berryman.
By Russell T Davies.
Okay. Yep. And he doesn't care about any of that.
Just like the Prime Minister.
You can already just see the Master in him, honestly.
You ugly, fat-faced bunch of wet, sniveling traitors. It's like this. Not funny, it's like this. And right now...
Oh.
Prime Minister, do you mind my asking, what is that? Forget now. Because of the gas. What gas? This gas.
Yeah, I have a feeling... Yeah. Oh, gosh. That's... In case you couldn't tell. Yeah, we're having that rhythm a lot recently.
I'm voting Saxon. He can tick my box any day.
I think Mr. Saxon is exactly what this country needs. He's a very fine man.
I've got to say that.
He
Wrote a novel, went into business, marriage, everything.
That's a lot of
Lie.
time.
Even now, they've said that the catnap's gone into seclusion. What does that mean? Seclusion?
Gone to sleep.
How should I know? For better or for worse. Isn't that right, Harry?
Ah.
My faithful companion. And these are my friends.
Okay. And they can talk.
Silly lady. Dead lady.
Oh. Those doors.
They're really good soundproofing.
Yeah.
But you can trust him.
Oh, this again.
Speak about...
What?
Now that is a new scale of hypnosis. Yeah.
From the skies. You've seen it happen. Big Ben.
Yes, we have.
Came to kill.
Just a little summary of the
Yeah.
what we've heard.
Yeah. But hey, it's good that they're acknowledging it.
Saxon, a message for humanity from beyond the stars.
And on my first day as well.
We come in peace.
Ah, I
Bring
see.
great skill. We bring technology and wisdom and protection.
And
All
blades.
we ask in return
And
is
knives.
friendship.
Brilliant knives. Perfect carving
And
knives.
this species, the Toclafane.
What?
And tomorrow morning, medical student.
Ah. Oh! Okay, that's... Yeah, that was a surprise.
Magpie, did you see? The TV was
Oh.
Magpie Electrical.
Ah. They're still going.
Well, hopefully, she needs a new TV now.
I think perhaps you should come round.
Ah,
It's
yes.
your brother, we've been talking.
Ah, so that past episode now makes more sense.
Celebrate.
Yeah.
You'd never get back with
Yes! That's right!
Ah.
That's exactly what they wanted! That's right!
Ah.
Get busted, Saxon! You did this!
Yeah. He's kind of right.
contact, did you see?
Ah. Oh, yeah, a very brief. I don't know what that was, but like the view of all three of them. I don't know what that was.
A
That was-
different camera,
Yeah.
wasn't it? It was so quick, but it didn't work.
Ooh, nice little game of hide and seek. I love that.
Ah.
I'll find you, Martha Jones.
Doctor. Master. How can Gallifrey be gone?
Ah, he doesn't know.
It burnt. I'm a Dalek. I'm alright.
Well, I don't know about that.
The Time Lords only resurrected me because they knew I'd be the perfect warrior for a time war. I was there when the Dalek Emperor took control of the Cruciform.
I mean, that sounds like something that the Doctor would be able to help.
Yeah.
So,
This little gang off on a wild goose chase to the Himalayas, so you won't be getting any help from them.
Torchwood.
ah, okay.
Off you go. We can see it. Oh, you public menace. Better start running. Go on.
Yeah, that was the last straw, destroying the camera.
Yes. I'm not having that. Oh my god.
What?
No, nothing. I think a future... No spoilers. I think a future episode comes back to that place. Anyway.
Oh, okay.
Do you remember the Master watching cartoons in Sea Devils? Clangers?
Oh, I don't know. I remember
He's
him
like,
being
it
in
seems
that.
to be some kind of alien species.
Television. Nice chips. I should have known that.
I didn't do it! I forgot. Should have got
Oh.
us chips.
And what is he to you? Like a colleague or...
Friend report.
thought you were going to say he was your secret brother or something.
Plan for what the Paul McGann TV series would have been with the Master. Remember?
Oh.
There we go.
Looking down.
Have we ever seen it from like the outside like that? The city?
Sworn never to interfere.
Oh, I don't know.
Only to watch.
There we go.
Still got the same uniform.
Yeah, it's not changed.
Don't run away. That's how we go mad.
Yeah, I can figure out which one of those it will be.
Yeah. Like after that happens though, you need to change your system. People are just going mad.
Yeah.
Not the best initiation.
I've got Arcane Joe, everyone's got it.
It's a mobile phone network, because look, it's gone worldwide. They've got
Another
15 satellites in orbit.
another phone
Other
network
networks,
taking
they're all
people on.
carried by Archangel.
Like Cybus.
The signal cancel them out.
Any way you can stop?
Not from down here.
So that's how we did it in Time Fly.
Something similar, maybe.
And all of the other times that we didn't know the Master was there.
It's like when you fancy someone and they don't even know you exist. That's what it's like.
I don't know. I'd like a better explanation.
Just keep to the shadows.
Like ghosts.
Yeah, that's what we are.
Do ghosts need to stay in shadows? I'm not sure they do.
No. Murray Gold has been going all in with this one.
I think we've heard this track before.
Have we?
And it's the Unit theme. Because it's Unit here.
Okay.
From now on, Unit has control of this operation.
Yep.
You're trying
Oh my god.
sir.
Gloves like Delgado and Ainley. And have you seen, when you get a chance to look at his jacket at the inner lining, it's red like the Third Doctor.
Ah, yeah. Right there. Oh, yes. That's
Very Third Doctor,
unmistakable.
isn't it?
Even aside from that, it just adds another dimension to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Unit's definitely increased their funding since the 70s.
Yeah. Yeah, this is all the Valiant.
Yeah.
Wow, yeah.
I helped design this place.
That means it's probably got some... Yeah. It's probably got some extra features that will help him. Ah! What do you think it's doing? Ooh, that's new. The sound! Hey!
The Cloister Bell.
Yeah, danger nearby.
First introduced in Logopolis, because the Master.
Oh, that's right.
What is it?
Cloister Bell.
Jelly baby.
Yeah. You had to say it right at that time.
Speaking of the Fourth Doctor.
Cancel that perception they'll see for you. It's just hard to go unnoticed when everyone's on ladder there.
That's
If they stop
an interesting theory, I suppose.
I ask of the human race to join with me in welcoming.
Hey, that's
our
us.
friends. I give you. Can be master, if you so wish.
Well, that's gonna be kind of complicated.
Accept master. Oh, all right then. It's me. Sorry.
Oh! There we go. Yeah, not gonna be able to get that key on.
Please attend carefully.
Do you remember that line for Logopolis?
Peoples of the universe, please attend carefully. The message that follows is vital to the future of you all.
He's
When he's-
broadcasting.
Yeah.
Memory lane.
Oh, yeah?
Professor Lazarus. Remember him and his genetic manipulation device?
Yep. Only a few episodes.
Little Tish got that. I've got his hand.
Yeah.
What if I reverse it? Another 100 years?
We're reversing the polarity of the Doctor!
Oh my gosh. Oh.
You can't do this.
Is that 100 Time Lord years or what?
I have no idea, Jamie.
Because a lot of those have passed. Oh.
Earthlings. Basically. End of the world.
Copyright?
Yeah, probably.
This is... Wow, that is literally the sky opening up. Also, I can't say I expected this. Yeah, that's even more than there was Daleks and stuff in the last finale. But it's the same idea. Yeah. Yeah. Dear me, that's definitely.
And the Earth was no more. Good.
Oh, thank goodness there's no next time. Oh my god. This is crazy. This is the... Ah! It's nice... Oh, I was just about to say it's nice to watch the credits.
Well,
but...
there is a next time trailer after the credits, so I'm going to pause there.
Well,
They moved them to after for the two, or for when it's to be continued. They put them after.
So this is what the Master's doing now, huh?
It feels like... so it is so in character, though, doesn't it? It feels like it
absolutely. From the first second from that cabinet meeting, I was like, "That's the Master."
This is exactly what the Master would do.
Yes. Oh,
impersonate or become a politician.
Yeah, and just like the way, the way he acts as well. Yeah, Johnson is excellent.
He's good, isn't he?
The Master, yeah, absolutely.
Feels right for David Tennant's kind of more frantic, action-oriented Doctor.
Yes.
Whereas, for John Pertwee and Roger Delgado, they're both very suave, almost Bond-like villain to his Bondish Doctor.
Yes, that's a good comparison, and yeah, that similar thing works here definitely. The kind of the similarity between them, but also how they're completely different.
Loads of callbacks to old Master stories.
Of course there's gonna be. Just general Doctor Who callbacks. Yeah, didn't expect the jelly baby.
Mostly Logopolis, I suppose.
Although I wouldn't have remembered those specific... what was it you said?
Peoples of the Universe, please attend carefully.
Yeah, attend carefully, yeah.
I'll probably have put in a clip to Logopolis where he says that, holding the world at ransom. Love that scene. The bit where he's watching the cartoons, the Teletubbies, callback to the Clangers, even a callback to the unmade American-produced TV series.
There's everything here that you would want.
Yeah. A bit of origin story for the Master as well.
That's true, yeah, we've not really gotten much, if anything, of that. No, it's good to... Yeah, it's good to finally get that. Yeah, so it was... Yeah, so it was the Time Lord's fault. Yeah, their training methods.
Much.
Yeah, their training methods led him astray.
And we've got some new Time Lord abilities. I don't believe that line where the Doctor's like, I would sense him. Because I think that's like the Doctor just lying or wishful thinking on his part.
Yeah,
because that's just never been true.
That would have... Yeah, that would solve a lot of the problems.
Unless he... Yeah. I don't know how it could... My choice to believe there is that the Doctor has made that up.
Yeah, he's just...
But it could be true in some way, I don't know.
But just the episode itself is great anyway, the thrills of it, the kind of building up of events, Yeah, it's great, and you're like, you feel like the impact that the Master is having on just the world, through everything he's doing. It's...
Wonderful drama, I think. It's a great script. I think some of the production is a bit dodgy.
Some of the computer generated shots look a bit...
The CGI is very not the best.
Plain, kind of. There was... Sorry, I just want to say, like, when the Toclafane started attacking, there was one that looked very...
not quite enough detail on
not
that
real.
CGI.
Yeah.
Some of the editing is a bit dodgy. Some of those camera shots don't quite work, but they go by quick enough that if you're not me, you probably won't notice it.
Yeah, I didn't really notice it. Again, aside from those one or two CGI things, there was nothing about the technical stuff that bothered me, honestly. I thought it was still well kind of put together, I guess. Yeah, it wasn't Graham Harper, but it was still quite
Colin Teague, I think, who directed it.
Oh, okay, right. But no, it was still very fast paced and like there was always something happening. Not a slow second, which is great. Yeah, that's good. Again, kind of building up to it throughout the whole
season.
Yeah, the whole season. Yes, with Martha's family, and yes, like the listening in. Sure, that makes
Lazarus.
Yeah, that as well. The technology has been used against the Doctor now. Now the Doctor's...
He's had his own polarity reversed. Finally.
Yeah, now that's what it's building up.
Well, it's not the first time that we've had a Doctor become old. Do you remember?
No, it's not. The Leisure Hive.
Yeah.
I vaguely remember that something like that happened in that episode. Yeah, so yeah, it'll be interesting to see how the Doctor gets out of that.
Well, Martha's off the Valiant now.
Yes, she's back down on Earth where everything's going on.
Yeah.
It's a great episode in its own way, but it also does set things up for next time.
I will say it feels very similar to the first two, in terms of cliffhangers.
Oh yeah, it's the exact same cliffhanger
it is the exact
that we've
same
had in this
thing
in New Who. Yeah, definitely.
It is a very similar finale in terms of the overall plot to it.
Yeah.
The details different underneath.
Obviously, but yeah, I can kind of see what you mean. Like, if this kind of thing happens in the next one, you know, swarm of enemies,
Yeah.
then yeah, I'm gonna start to question that.
Okay.
You know? But we'll see. That's getting a bit
We're a long
ahead.
way off still.
Yeah. Music. So much variety in the music, and it's all great. And the Master kind of has a theme.
Yeah.
Like, that is really it's very unnerving. That
The
and
tritones, lots of tritones.
Yeah, it works really well. Yeah.
They call it the devil's interview, the diminished chords, and that's what gives that effect.
Okay.
So that's, I guess, it's a very
It's a good effect.
unsubtle way of portraying evil.
No, but it works.
It does.
It works
because he's not a very subtle master compared to, I guess, Delgado, who is more subtle in a way.
A bit more. Yeah. I mean, that's kind of part of the Master's character, is that he's, you know, extravagant in his plans, and
he always dresses for the occasion.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking back to the TV movie as well. Yeah. So yeah, it's in tradition, and it works for what it is.
Well, I think that the Eric Roberts Master is the least subtle Master.
Well, we've only had that one once.
Yeah.
So
no, he's doing Big Finish now.
Oh right.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's something I didn't know.
Yeah.
Okay, so not once, but well, in terms of screen appearances, anyway.
I'm trying to think, what else do we have? Chips. We loved having chips.
Well,
Russell T Davies loves his chips, clearly. That scene where I thought, hey, this comes back in a later episode. For everyone else, I think it's a Series 9 one. We'll obviously get there when we get there.
I've no idea what you're talking about.
I think it comes back. I think they go back to that exact place. I guess it's literally the same place, not even a reuse of the sets. I don't know. Someone else tell me if I've made that up. Oh, the episode was called...
Oh, yes! What? Yeah.
This episode was called The Sound of Drums.
Ah, okay.
Which, again, the whole Master hearing this drum beat
yes,
thing
that rhythm
is new.
Yes, it is. Introduced in the last episode. And yeah, it's like, that's part of the... oh, for goodness sake, how do we not talk about that? The Master hypnotising people. That's something he's done since, like, the beginning.
Yeah, the very first thing he does in Doctor Who is hypnotise
and
the guy in the fair.
Yeah, and even Jo Grant, I think. Yeah.
Initially, yes, in that first episode, but she resists it later on, right?
Yes. No, but I just remember that happened. Yeah. And, yeah, it's taken on a whole new scale here.
Yeah.
You know, and that's like, part of the bigger plan, I
He's
guess.
edited it through the phone network, through the mobile satellite network, which again, I guess, wasn't around in the 70s, which is why he didn't do this plan then. Maybe he's been planning this for a while. He was waiting for satellites and mobile phones to be invented.
Yeah, I mean, in those old stories, though, he got by just fine by hypnotising just a few people nearby. It all works out for everybody.
Okay, no.
Nothing? No new facts?
So, finale next time, the last episode of the series.
Indeed it is. And there's a lot to wrap up.
8, 9 from you.
Yes.
That is the highest. Oh, well.
Joint with Blink. Yeah. But yeah, no, this is... I mean, as an introduction to the Master, it's as good as it could have been, really, almost. And yeah, and again, it just sets up everything, you know, really well. It's a great episode, yes. As you said, good script, yeah. There were some really good...
That's the best part of it, I think.
Yeah,
in this case.
yeah, especially when the Doctor and the Master, like, they start talking again, like that. Yeah, that was quite a moment. That was quite a powerful moment, that one. Yeah, but of course, that is just the beginning. So
see you next time.
yes,
Outro.
outro.